that you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. If I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can hear because my microphone is dead. So I was filming this whole entire video with no sound. It already just funked up my mood, okay? So I'm doing it again. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I have my monitor here and I do have my phone that I'm gonna keep grabbing every now and then, just so I can make sure I'm telling you guys the right pieces. But today we do have a try on haul. Y'all know it's been a hot minute since I've done a try on haul, so y'all, I'm super excited because baby, let's get into it. Y'all know summer's almost over, so I did pick up a couple of pieces that you could, you know, pretty much wear for the end of the summer days, and some of these pieces you can actually wear for the fall as well, so that is also good. So I'm super excited. It's my first time working with Jurllyshe, so without further ado, we're gonna get right into today's video. This first one is called the Jurllyshe Letterprint Crewneck. This is a trendy t-shirt with shorts. I think you only can pick one size, and I did go ahead and get the size large. If you guys want more of a baggier look, you probably would have to size up. This was my first time working with this company, so I wasn't pretty keen on the sizing, so I just picked up the large. And one thing I love about this set is you can switch it up, you can tie it up. Y'all, I'm not good with like styling and stuff, so I mean like tying knots in the shirts and stuff, so girl, don't even come for me. Don't even do that. Don't even do that. So yeah, like I said, this shirt has a lot of stretch in it, as you guys can see. This is big. Then the shorts, which is thrown down here on the floor because I was just in them. The band can sometimes fold a different way. I don't know why it does that, but I love the band. It's adjustable. Look at all the stretch that these shorts got in them, girl. So they do got some stretch to them. I love that they had pockets, okay, because sometimes I don't want to be bringing a bag and stuff like that, and I just need pockets, okay? But the word essentials is written on the top and bottom. Like I said, it's very comfy, very chill. You can definitely run errands in it. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. Alright, so this next set, I'm waiting for it to load. This is called the Camouflage Letterprint Trendy T-shirt with shorts. I believe they have different options on there when it comes down to the colors. I got the camo one, of course. So this is one of my favorite sets. I don't know, I love how this material feels. This is a silky type of material, okay? The stretch, baby, the stretch on these bad boys, they are giving a freaking life, okay? I love the stretch on these. Very form fitting too. Once you put your little booty up in these, baby, it just hugs it, okay? So even though it's got stretch, don't let it fool you. It does hug the curves that you have, and it fits your booty just right. Now, like I said, this I got in a size large. All my sets will be a size large because I feel like that's just what fits, and sometimes I do like the oversized baggy look. That's just what I go for. But y'all, this outfit is so freaking comfy. It does say the gallery department on the shirt and also the shorts as well, which is somewhere here at the bottom. Y'all, I'm in love with this set. Like I said, it's really cool, comfy, and I feel like this is one of the outfits that you can dress up or dress down to it. I loved how everything fit. Y'all, this tee is so cute. The Crossprint T-shirt, and baby, when I tell you I love this shirt, I love this shirt. One thing I felt like I could have did though was, how many sizes it got? I could have sized up to an extra large because I felt like it was kind of small. Like I don't know, I just like the way the girls had it worn on there. It was super big. It was flowy. This is the same print type of t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, that the essential shirt was made out as well. So this material is definitely cute. It has a lot of stretch, baby, okay? But like I said, I was looking for that big flowy type of vibe where you still have room, even though if you tied it up in the front, you still had like sleeve room and stuff like that, you know. So yeah, and I felt like the length was a little bit short as well. That's why I felt like I don't know, whether just push it to the front this. I was trying to feel myself in it, y'all. I ain't know what I was doing, y'all. But y'all, this pocket tee is super duper cute. Love that it has a little pocket there. It's just cute, okay? And then the back, it does have the emblem on there as well, as you guys can see, which is super cute. Next, we got the jumper suit. Yeah, U-neck solid color sleeveless jumpsuit. Y'all, this was bomb. When I seen the girl and I was like, girl, you fire. Like I said, I'm sure this is a dupe of an actual designer, but like sis, I'm gonna wear it anyway. Definitely got this in a large. I don't know if they had, hold on, let me see. They had an extra large. I probably could have took, no, they didn't have an extra large. Okay. But this jumpsuit is super cute. It's kind of giving me like Skims vibe, but not Skims. Y'all know, okay? I love this stretch. Baby, this stretches, okay? Stretch. Now, when you put this on, baby, it's going to suck you in. It's going to definitely adhere to your curves that you already have. I love the print of it, too, because it's like kind of giving Skims, kind of not, okay? I believe it goes down to your ankles a little bit lower as well, so if you're tall, keep that in mind. I wish I had an extra large in this because I probably could have sized up. Like I said, overall it's a cute jumpsuit. It's definitely white, or almost, is it white or a little bit giving off-white? I'm not sure because on camera it just looked white, but in person it may give like a slight off-white. This is called the graffiti letterprint crewneck t-shirt. This shirt, when I seen it on the girl in the picture, I was like, I thought I had it, okay? But this is what she's giving, okay? Now, she's looking like grayish silver blue. She's kind of a little bit, just a tad bit darker in person. Is this print crooked or just me? No. So yeah, I love this shirt because it's definitely stretchy, okay? I did get a size medium, so if you wanted a more baggier look, just size up. Love the stretch. Like, one thing I love from this company so far is the stretch of the shirts, because it's like, yes. One thing though, this shirt was a little bit short in length, okay? So I was kind of confused on what to wear with it. So I did pair these yoga shorts that I got off Amazon. I love the print. However, this is like a, I don't know how to explain this because it's definitely a silky print. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. But it's got texture to it. It's like really soft and it's like shiny, if that makes sense. So I really love this shirt. Stretch. So we're going in with this shirt. I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm not going y'all not coming for me today, okay? I didn't look up how to pronounce it, so I'm not gonna say it, but we're gonna call this the B shirt, the Paris B shirt, okay? This definitely is a dupe for something, but y'all, this shirt is super cute. I can tell this is vinyl that is printed on the shirt. Very much giving vinyl. Yeah, this doesn't have much stretch to it, so do be mindful of that. It does not have much stretch to it at all. It is very much short in length as well. Well, it's not really that it's short in length, it's that it's like a slim fit. So this shirt definitely fits you from the waist down. It's gonna hug your waist all the way down, if that makes sense. But like I said, overall I love this shirt. Very cool. Love the material. The Jurllyshe slim zipper sports hoodie jacket with casual leggings. It's a pant set. This is definitely one of those sets where you can wear for the fall. Yeah. So these are very, very form-fitting. So this is pretty much what this top looks like. I love the material that this is made of. As you guys can see, it says body. It has a full functioning zipper. This is like a silk material, which has a lot of stretch, okay? It has a lot of stretch. It's definitely long in length when it comes down to the pants as well. It's very long in length. I think I had them pulled up or not pulled down right, so when I do pull them down, it does scrunch up towards my ankle. So super duper long, not long where it's dragging the ground, but y'all get what I mean. Has stretch to it. This is a crop top too, so do be mindful of that. It didn't look cropped on me because I had my pants pulled up to make it like a high-waisted kind of vibe to, you know, try to give me a little bit shape in the hip area. So I did go ahead and, you know, just do that. But I love these two. Love the material. Very cool. This is like a chill set. I forgot to put a hood on, y'all, so y'all can see a hood, but it does have a hood just in case you guys were wondering. So girl, I forgot to record, okay? But this is just another crew neck, or yeah, crew neck t-shirt. I will have it listed down below. It's just a cute, comfy t-shirt. I love the sizing of it because it was very, very loose fitting. It was bigger, so it's actually t-shirt in my opinion. So yeah, like I said, very cute. It's a very chill, and yeah, I love it. y'all, that is it for this haul. Hopefully it wasn't too long and drawn out, but yeah, so I really enjoyed working with this company. I love the pieces that I got, and I look forward to working with them again. I'll be sure to link everything down in the description section below just in case you guys are interested. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.